Have you ever wondered what it feels like to swim in a sea of green? Not water, but something far more fragrant. Today, we are retaking you to a place where the hills roll like waves and the air is thick with the scent of fresh tea. Welcome to Moc Chau, Vietnam. Look at this. This is the famous heart-shaped tea hill of Moc Chau, a masterpiece carved by nature and human hands. From up here it feels like the entire world is painted in 100 shades of green. It's absolutely breathtaking. But Moc Chau is more than just stunning landscapes. It's a land rich in culture, home to the Thai ethnic minority, whose traditions are as vibrant and beautiful as the hills they live in. We're starting our journey into the heart of this culture right here, in a local tea garden. The secret to Moc Chau's amazing tea isn't just the fertile soil or the perfect climate. It's the people. Watch how these skilled hands pluck the tea leaves. It's an art form, picking only the youngest, most tender buds, called one bud, two leaves. This careful selection is the first step in creating the premium oolong tea that Moc Chau is famous for. Each leaf is a promise of the rich flavor to come. From the fields, the fresh leaves are brought back for processing. And this is where the magic truly happens. We're about to witness a tradition that has been passed down through generations. Hand roasting tea. The leaves are tossed in a large, hot pan. This process, called killing the green, stops the oxidation and locks in the fresh, grassy aroma. The rhythmic sound of the leaves against the hot metal and the incredible smell filling the air is an experience you just couldn't get anywhere else. It takes incredible skill and timing to get it just right. Too hot and the leaves burn. Not hot enough and the flavor isn't developed. It's a delicate dance between fire and foliage. Now, let's venture deeper into the local culture by visiting Hua Tat Village. This is a communal tourism village where you can experience the authentic lifestyle of the Thai people. The traditional stilt houses, with their unique architecture, are designed to keep cool in the summer and stay safe from wild animals. Walking through the village, you're greeted with warm smiles and the gentle rhythm of daily life. One of the most captivating traditions here is weaving. Thai women are renowned for their intricate brocade weaving. Each pattern tells a story, a piece of their history and beliefs woven into the fabric. The vibrant colors and complex designs are all created by hand on a traditional loom. It's a slow, meticulous process, but the results are stunning works of art. From skirts and scarves to blankets, these textiles are a vital part of their cultural identity and a source of pride. After immersing ourselves in the village life, it's time for another natural wonder. This is Dai Gem Waterfall, also known as the Pink Blouse Waterfall. The legend says it was created from the scarf of a young woman who was waiting for her lover to return from battle. The water cascades down 9 tiers, like soft silk flowing over the rocks. The sound is powerful yet soothing, and the mist feels incredible on a warm day. It's the perfect spot to just sit, relax, and connect with nature. It's truly a hidden gem, and the lush greenery surrounding it makes the scene even more magical. Exploring all day has certainly worked up an appetite, and when you're in Moc Chau, you have to try the local cuisine. The food here is as unique and flavorful as the landscape. First up, we have pie pin top, or grilled stream fish. The fish is caught fresh from the local streams, marinated with a special blend of mountain herbs and spices like macayachin. Then clamped in a bamboo stick and grilled over charcoal. The aroma is irresistible, and the taste is smoky, spicy, and incredibly fresh. Next on the menu is something you won't find anywhere else. Bee chow. This is tender veal, thinly sliced and quickly stir-fried in a hot pan with ginger and lemongrass. It's incredibly succulent and packed with flavor, paired with some sticky rice and a dipping sauce. It's a true culinary delight. Eating these dishes, made with fresh, local ingredients, is the perfect way to refuel and experience the authentic taste of the mountains. If you're feeling inspired to plan your own trip to this incredible green paradise, I've put together a detailed guide for you. It includes information on the best times to visit, how to get here, accommodation, recommendations, and a breakdown of the costs. You can find all the details by clicking the link in the description below. Trust me, you'll want to check it out to make your own adventure as smooth and amazing as possible. As our day comes to an end, we're heading back to the tea hills for one last spectacle. The sunset over Moc Chau is something you have to see to believe. The sky explodes into a canvas of orange, pink, and purple, casting a warm, golden glow over the endless rows of tea plants. The air cools down, and a sense of peace settles over the valley. It's a moment of pure magic, a perfect ending to an unforgettable day. Watching the sun dip below the rolling hills, it's easy to understand why this place is considered a paradise on earth. It's moments like these that make travel so special. So, how much does a trip like this cost? You might be surprised. A 2-day, 1-night trip to Moksho can be quite affordable. Transportation from Hanoi is around $15 for a round trip. A homestay in a traditional stilt house can be as little as $10 per night. Food is incredibly reasonable. About $15 to $20 a day will get you some amazing meals. So, for a weekend getaway, you're looking at a total of around $50 to $70 per person. An incredible value for such a rich experience. From the sea of green tea hills to the vibrant culture of the Thai people. From the thundering waterfalls to the delicious local food. Moksho has captured our hearts. It is a place that awakens all your senses and leaves you with memories that will last a lifetime. Thank you so much for joining us on this journey through Moksho. If you enjoyed this adventure and want to see more content like this, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and ring the notification bell so you never miss an upload. We have so many more places to explore together. See you in the next video.